Exercise 9.1, 10th question. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Just see, the two poles are of equal heights. Both the poles are equal heights. So from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and distance of point from poles. Distance of the point from where the elevation is calculated, that point also we have to find out. So two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of, this is the road, and two poles are standing on either side of the road and they are of equal height. That's why I have drawn the poles in equal length. They are of equal height. And the width of the road in total is 80 meter. Whole width of the road is, that is BE is 80 meter. From a point between them on the road, from a point from here, say a point from here, the angle of elevation of the top of poles are 60 and 30. Angle of elevation of this and the angle of elevation of this are 60 and 30. The angle of elevation of this is 30 and the angle of elevation of this is 60. And here it is A, B, C, D and E. So the poles are AB and DE. So what we have to find out? The height of the poles, height of AB and DE. We have to find out AB and DE. We have to find out. BE is given as 80 meter. BE is given as 80 meter. But this is the point from the point in the road from where the poles are seen. So this is the point C. We have to find out the distance from this point to this pole and also from this point to this pole. So we have to find out BC and CE separately. So if we take BC as X, let's take BC as X. If we take BC as X, then CE will be 80, because BE is 80 meter and BC is X, then CE will be 80 minus X. CE will be 80 minus X. So let's move on to the sum. Let's name this pole AB as small letter A and pole DE as small letter B for our easy understanding and to calculate the distance and height easily. So first let's take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to, what is the opposite side? AB, adjacent is BC, AB by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is nothing but, we have named it as A, small letter A. AB as A and BC as X. A by X. So, X by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to A by X. So, let's have it as X itself, not A. So, X is equal to A root 3. X is equal to A root 3. Let's have X as A root 3. In triangle DEC, or in triangle you can call it as DCE or DEC. In triangle DEC, tan 60 is equal to DE by CE. Opposite side is DE, adjacent is CE. So tan 60 is DE by CE. DE by CE. What we have named DE as? We have named DE as B and CE as 80 minus X. B by 80 minus X. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. root 3 is equal to b by 80 minus x. Root 3 is equal to b by 80 minus x. Let's bring 80 minus x to the other side. So root 3 into 80 minus x is equal to b. 80 into root 3, 80 root 3 minus root 3 into x, root 3x is equal to b. We are taking 80 minus x to the other side. So root 3 into 80 minus x, root 3 into 80, 80 root 3 minus root 3 into x, root 3x is equal to b. But instead of x, shall we write a root 3? So instead of x, we are substituting it with a root 3. So 80 into root 3 minus root 3 into a root 3 is equal to b. Instead of x, we will be substituting it as a root 3 is equal to b. So 80 root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3a, 80 root 3 minus 3a is equal to b. This is the equation till now you have got. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3a is equal to b. But when we read the question, we know that two poles are of equal height. So if the two poles are equal height, AB will be equal to DE. These two poles are of equal height. So AB is equal to DE. If AB is equal to DE, A will be equal to, that is small letter A will be equal to small letter B. So A and B are equal. So instead of B here, let us write, instead of B we can substitute it as A, because both A and B are of equal height. A is equal to B. So instead of B we are writing it as A. So 80 root 3 minus 3A is equal to A. Take 3A to the other side. 80 root 3 is equal to A plus 3A. 80 root 3 is equal to 4A. So, A will be equal to 80 root 3 divided by 4. 80 root 3 divided by 4, that is 80 by 4, that is 20 root 3. A is equal to 20 root 3. A is 20 root 3. Root 3 is equal to 4a. A is equal to 80 root 3 divided by 4, that is 20 root 3. So the height of AB is 20 root 3. If the height of AB is 20 root 3, height of DE will be also 20 root 3. So A is equal to 20 root 3 is equal to B. Since A and B are equal, A is equal to B is equal to 20 root 3. So we found out the height of the poles, that is AB and DE is equal to, A is equal to B is equal to 20 root 3, that is AB is equal to DE is equal to 20 root 3. We found out the height of the poles. Now we have to find out BC and CE. They have asked the distance from the point to this pole and the distance from the point to this pole. So we have to find out the distance of BC and CE. So BC is X. BC is nothing but X. So what we had found out, X is equal to root 3 into A. That is what we had found out earlier. X is equal to root 3A. So instead of A, we can write it as 20 root 3. So X is equal to root 3 into 20 root 3. X is equal to root 3 into A, that is root 3 into 20 root 3. X is equal to 20 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 2 into 20 into 3, that is equal to 60 meter. X is equal to 60 meter. So BC, this is X. BC is X. So BC x is equal to BC is equal to 60 meter. Now we have to find out CE. CE is equal to 80 minus x. X we found out as 60 meter. So CE is equal to 80 minus 60, that is equal to 20 meter. So the distance from C to B is, that is BC is 60 meter, and the distance from E to C, that is CE is 20 meter. So with this we found out the answer, that is found out the height of the poles and also the distance of point from the poles. Thank you friends.